In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online using the current interface. By the end, your accounts will be securely linked so transactions flow in automatically, saving you time on data entry and helping you keep your books up to date. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account in your web browser. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Bank Transactions. Depending on your view, this may simply be labeled Transactions with a banking tab inside, but Bank Transactions is the area you want. At the top of the Bank Transactions page, click Connect a Bank or Credit Card. If you see a See How It Works, Connect a Bank or Credit Card to Get Started button, instead, go ahead and click that. Both options take you to the same place. Use the search bar to type the name of your bank or credit card provider. It helps to enter the name exactly as it appears on your bank's sign-in page. From the search results, select your bank. If your institution has multiple login portals, choose the one you normally use for online banking. You'll be prompted to enter your online banking username and password for that bank. This is the same information you use to sign in directly on your bank's website. QuickBooks uses secure connections to link your accounts, but only enter your credentials on this official screen. After that, follow any prompts to verify your account, such as answering security questions or entering a one-time code for two-factor authentication. Keep your phone or authentication app nearby for this step. Next, choose which accounts you want to link: checking, savings, credit card, or others listed under your bank profile. You can connect multiple accounts at once, and each one will appear separately in QuickBooks. When you're ready, click Connect. Once connected, QuickBooks will import your recent transactions automatically. Many banks provide around 90 days of history, though this can vary by institution. Let the import finish before moving on. To categorize what came in, go to Bank Transactions and open the For Review tab. Here, you can approve and categorize transactions so they post to the right accounts in your books. Take a moment to confirm payees, add clear categories, and review dates and amounts. If QuickBooks suggests matches to existing entries, review those suggestions carefully to avoid duplicates and keep your reconciliations clean. That's it. Your bank and credit card accounts are now connected and ready to keep your finances organized. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.